Okay, sit. Lay down. Roll over. All the way. Come on. Good girl. What else can you do? Huh, Megs? What else can you do? Do you want a cookie? Do you want a cookie? Do ya? Let's get you some cookies, huh? Right, come on. You want a cookie that bad? Huh? Right, come here. Come here. Right, nope. Back up. No, not roll over. Okay, Maggie. Pretty. Sit. Pretty girl. Good job. There's Zoe. Does Zoe have happy feet? Happy feet? Happy feet. Happy feet. Happy feet. Happy feet. Good girl. Well, that's Maggie and Zoe. Harry's over at Aaron's house. I should go get him.